is really important for me. And so if you look into that, we can see many things may be important, but the search really is not to gain, but the search is that I may be free from unhappiness, that I may be free from worries, that I may feel completely free. So the highest Purushartha, Parama Purushartha, becomes very clear. That is moksha, in the sense of feeling completely free to live our lives. So when we analyze these Purusharthas, we see that the human being is the same, always, everywhere. The way we look into being happy may change, but that all of us, every one of us wants to be happy. That is common. That is not modern, that's not ancient, that's not future, that is the human being. So understanding our problem, understanding how we feel, is the basic for this Vaidika Dharma.
All of us, we have got an inherent urge to overcome something within us. We call it differently. We call it progress. We call it development. We call it going forward. We call it finding meaning in life. Or we say that this is what I am actually trying to attain in life. Which means there is something in us which requires that I should change. And this is a unique thing which human beings alone have. They alone have this tendency to seek something better of themselves. They want to improve themselves. Now, you don't find this in animals. At least leave aside a few pets, particularly dogs and cats. Other things, we just don't see any such tendency. Even the pets are also trained. We don't find a dog saying, well, I want to become a great dog. Or an animal of any type saying that I want to become something great. They are just restricted to their animal instincts. They will become powerful in their instincts, that's possible. And they are possible to continue their instinctual life for a very long time. But this desire to become great or desire to seek some better version of oneself is unique to human beings.
Openness to lead from behind is a very unique concept that comes from Bhagavad Gita. It is not in the most of the Western management type of things. This is what is called Karta Bhavana. So Kartrutva Bhav and Bhoktrutva Bhav are some things that people talk about. I am the one who is enjoying it. I am the one who did it. Especially if you see some football games, or if you see some cricket games, or if you see any of them, people who are winners, they'll go, yes, 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 me, I did it. While enthusing oneself and cheering oneself and energizing oneself is good, but if you try to take credit for all success, if you try to think that because of you everybody else is winning, while it may be very useful for them to get some millions of dollars in the sports or advertisement or in movies or something else, but your growth is going to be seriously limited. When you recognize you are the instrument through which the spirit is flowing, you are in the right place because the coach put you in the right place. Your parents supported you, your team supports you in winning, while you are doing the major part. Without other people doing their part, the job doesn't get done. Then you will develop what is called a certain leadership. The Karta Bhavana and Bhokta Bhavana goes away. Then you will develop a Sattvika Karta Bhavana, and that will help you a lot. And over time, you can develop what is called a Nishkama Karma as well. That is another extremely important concept in Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita helps you look at yourself. And when you look within, you will meet a wonderful person that you are. All the time, a person is disconnected with himself or herself. That's why all the time you are looking for some connection outside. Every time you look into a message or whatever social media alert, whether you check whether it has come, somebody has poked you, pinged you, messaged you, or whatever it is, whatever is the lingo, social media lingo, what you're necessarily trying to do is you're seeking connection. All the time you're seeking connection. And to such an extent, it deprives you of sleep. To that extent, you're trying to find connection in the outside world through social media. But alas, it's not happening. The person is left high and dry. So Bhagavad Gita helps you connect to yourself, the inner core person who's there, who's the most wonderful, most beautiful, but we have missed to reconnect with that person. Bhagavad Gita helps you establish the connection with that divine light of consciousness which is within.